Welcome back to Two More Space, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to talk about something which is creating a lot of buzz in the market. A lot of people talking about this fragrance. This is Shiaka Snow from Khatlach. And people are saying probably this is one of the best office fragrance. अब आज Reflection Man का inspired version है. I thought let's give it a try. देखते हैं क्या है. Why there's so much buzz in the market. So not too expensive. I think 2,500 3,000 एंड टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर माय ऑनेस्ट ओपिनियन अबाउट इट सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड सबसे पहले प्रेजेंटेशन की बात करते हैं देखो यार प्रेजेंटेशन वाइज ना बहुत कूल है यू कैन सी दिस वाइड बॉटल ये ट्रांसपेरेंट है यहाँ पे यू कैन सी द जूस खतलच की ब्रांडिंग मिल जाएगी दिस इज टेक्सचर ग्रिप बहुत अच्छी है द प्रेजेंटेशन वाइज आई वुड रेट 8 out of 10 फॉर श्योर बहुत क्लीन है मुझे लगता है कि ऑन द शेल्फ एज वेल इट लुक्स रियली नाइस The bottle looks very elegant for sure. Very clean, white finish, classy hair. Looks expensive. Now let's talk about the scent profile. Atomizer ठीक ठाक है, pressurized नहीं है, but you can see right quality is too good. मिस देख रहे हो आप? स्प्रे बहुत अच्छा है यार. In fact, yeah, I'm really impressed. Pressurized atomizer, but I think what they have done with it, it's really great. It feels really expensive. Clean and fresh. ये स्टार्टिंग में नेरोली का जो टच मिलता है आपको विद द फ्लोरल नोट्स आई थिंक दैट्स क्रिएट अ लग्जरी वाइब वो कहते हैं ना फ्रेश आउट ऑफ द शावर यू नो जब आप कोई लग्जरी बॉडी वॉश यूज करते हो एंड यू फील दैट काइंड ऑफ फ्रेग्रेंस यू विल गेट इट फ्रॉम दिस वन एट द वेरी स्टार्ट बट एज इट सेटल्स डाउन थोड़ा टेक्सचर ऐड होता है इसमें सैंडलवुड का नोट यू विल फील एट द ड्राई डाउन फ्रेग्रेंस बहुत एलिगेंट है बहुत स्मूथ है स्पेशली द वे इट ड्राइज डाउन बहुत ओवर पावरिंग नहीं है बट इट्स वेरी मैस्कुलिन फॉर श्योर फेमिनिन नहीं है इट्स नॉट वेरी लाउड फ्रेग्रेंस बट वेरी रिफाइंड इट क्वाइटली गेट्स नोटिस्ड rather than demanding attention so that kind of fragrance smoother hai subtle hai you know that kind of fragrance it is so I think you have already heard people comparing this to the Reflection Man, and I would say they are not wrong. It captures clean, sophisticated DNA very closely, while Reflection Man has a little more depth and refinement, I would say. वो बहुत class apart fragrance है. See, if you see the price point as well, that is very expensive. So that delivers as per their price point. But again, I think this is very close, I would say. It's almost 80% over there. It's not very loud fragrance. So आपको एक घंटे एक डेढ़ घंटे project करेगा 4-5 hours it will linger on your clothes I have heard many people saying 7 to 8 hours but to be honest नहीं है यार 7-8 घंटे नहीं कह सकते 5 to 6 hours tops projection moderate है couple of hours you'll get it you know it's not a beast mode fragrance but honestly I don't think it needs to be the kind of profile it has it's very elegant it's very soft at the same time it formal occasion के लिए probably the best fit है if you're looking for something for a professional setting for office this one works really great I think जिम में भी लगा सकते हैं it will not disappoint you it will stay there जिम वाला तुम्हारा काम हो जाएगा even when you are back it will stay there compliment factor will it get compliments absolutely yes it earns compliments because people think you naturally spell clean sophisticated and well put together it's not like it will scream it loud demands its own presence it's not that kind of fragrance but again like I said it's very elegant it's very luxurious in a very subtle way so this is what it is it value for money I would say considering the scent profile and the price point I think it's an excellent value for money I always wanted to experience Reflection Man style of fragrance but I don't want to spend that kind of money again 30,000 almost 30,000 bucks does not make much sense. This is something which gets me that kind of vibe at a very fractional of price. So I think in terms of value for money, I would highly rate it 9 out of 10. Final rating, I would say yes, if you want to try something, niche, different, classy, elegant and a summer fragrance which makes you feel good I think just go for it yeah this is what it is now let me know if you already experienced this fragrance and if you have Reflection Man I would love to hear how close you think they are if you enjoy this review don't forget to like subscribe and support this channel until next time when you feel you are done with the dose of fragrance two more sprays always